For this next part of the lab, we are going to look at any sort of chemical or physical change we see with hydrochloric acid, with sodium hydroxide, and with universal indicator. So I have our beaker set up here. Okay, so here is my HCl. And to this, I'm going to add some universal indicator. I'll drop that in. 10 drops. Okay, so this is the color of the universal indicator in an acidic solution. Bring it up a little closer. So record your observations for that. Okay, so now we want to record our observations when we add the sodium hydroxide. So we'll start adding 1 milliliter at a time. So that's our first milliliter. Here's our second. Swirl. Okay, something's happening, it looks like. Oh, that was 3. Keep going. Swirl, and there we go. So after we added our 5 milliliters of NaOH, we now have the solution with this color here. Okay, so now we're going to add some HCl back in. Okay, so we're switching back to the HCl. You can get another color change here. You can kind of see the color sort of swirling around in there. And there we go. When we add the acid back in, we get this color change here. Okay, so the first color we saw is when we added the HCl with the universal indicator. Second color we saw was after adding the NaOH. And this color here is what we get after we add back some of the HCl.